we have a unique situation, JJ, in the party and in government. The leader of the party, the de jure leader of the party, is not necessarily the de facto holder of power in the party and in government. His spouse happens to be. Sure. We have a slightly worse situation than you had north of the Limpopo.
In Zimbabwe. Yeah.
The Grace Mugabe
scenario. Yeah.
Yes. So it doesn't matter what the leader may want. If his wife says it won't happen, it sure will not happen. She is singularly the most powerful person in that country. Allegedly, she appoints ministers and fires them, appoints top civil servants, and interferes in virtually every senior.
Yeah, physically herself or through influence of the Prime Minister.
Sometimes directly.
Sometimes directly.
Yes.
My goodness.
Yes, sometimes directly. Most of the time through the leader and the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
So, what the party membership believes is that the antipathy towards our committee is not necessarily that of the leader, but of his wife. And so that is where you have an unusual constitutional challenge that you wouldn't find in any constitutional manual.
Yeah.
Because this person is not part of
not holding a constitutional
it's not part of the institutional authority within the party and within the government. But for goodness sake, she is in charge.
If people are watching from Lesotho and from here who care about your country,